Hi everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to add scroll reveal in our project. I have here a project that have an index.html file, which is the main file of the HTML, and the assets folder. It has three subfolders: CSS, images, and Javascript. Inside each subfolder in the CSS, I have a style.css, and let this folder, we will not use it in this tutorial. And in the JS, I have main.js. Now, in the index.html file, I have included the link to the style file, which is in this path, and the script file, the JavaScript file. I added it in the at the end of the file. I have a div which has a class test. Now in the style.css, give the test div a height of 2000, for example, 2000 pixels. Now, here in the scroll reveal website, let's copy this. For example, this is element we want to add a scroll reveal to it. Let's add this element here, and let's, for example, let's repeat this one more time. Again, I just want to show you how how the scroll reveal will apply to this heading. It has, so this h1 element, the h1 heading tag, it has a class of headline. Now, as mentioned here in the scroll reveal website, that if we want to add the reveal effect on this div, which has a headline class, just add this scroll reveal. The scroll reveal constructor will use the reveal method, and in the reveal method, add the section you want to add the reveal effect on it. So scroll reveal dot reveal of dot headline. But we don't have this file. We don't have this file. We don't have the let's return here. We don't have the scroll reveal file, which has the code or the script here in the installation part. We don't have this, and I don't want to add the unpackage.com the file from the web. I do not want to add this from the web, so I will use this, the npm install scroll reveal dash save. I will come here to the JS folder and add this, but it will add the node modules and also add the package of scroll reveal. But we want this file. We want this file alone. Scroll reveal.min, the minified file .js. So I will come here. As you can see, let's reveal in the file explorer. As you can see, in the scroll reveal folder and this folder, we have the scroll reveal.min.js. So copy this file and come back here to the JavaScript folder, and then delete all the unnecessary files and delete the node module folder. We don't want it. We just want the scroll reveal.min.js. Now let's add this. It is mentioned in the guide to add this at the very beginning of the document, to add this in the head. So I will add a script and assets, JavaScript, and this. Let's now see how this is displayed. As you can see, when we scroll down, let's refresh again and see. When we scroll down, it will begin to appear. And this is an easy way to add a scroll reveal to any element, HTML element. I hope this video is helpful for you, and see you in another video tutorial.